Hi, I'm Natasha Antonioni with Austin Life, where we cover real estate, design, and all things Austin. Today, I'm taking you on a property tour of Harvest Moon. This project is really special to me because I helped my clients buy this property and consulted on the design so that they could turn it into a short-term rental. What makes this home so great is the attention to detail. Let's go check it out. Because the goal was to sleep 18 people in this house, there were some smart renovations that took place. So as you can see, we have this expansive living dining experience that leads into the kitchen. So amazing open floor plan with another hangout area. So if you have a big group in this house, everybody has a place and space. This house was built by the previous owner's own hands, so there's a lot of love in this space. They did a beautiful color selection on the kitchen cabinets, which kind of became the theme for all of the design and pops of color that you see throughout the house, including this mural over here. So right off the main living, dining, kitchen area is this amazing custom bunk room. So this custom bunk sleeps 8. And I'll have you know that these are actually queen bunks. What makes it feel so cozy and wonderful in here is the detail of the shiplap and each bed having its own private lamp. I'm gonna save the primary for last, but let's go check out the other 3 bedrooms. So the current owners love color and wanted to differentiate each room. So there's crossover in the color palette, but each room is really telling its own story. With short-term rentals, you really want to provide an equality amongst the bedrooms, which I think they did an amazing job here. No one in this house is going to feel like they got the short end of the stick. This room went for a little safari vibe, and I think she pulled it off in a beautiful way. You have the black and the gold and the woods, and it just feels so cozy with your little work nook as well. These 2 bedrooms share this lovely bath with a private water closet. You could just picture all the parties happening in this room with this open kitchen area to the other seating area, cards going on there, people sitting at the bar, and then you have this other bedroom right off of this living space as well. She did a lovely job of decorating in here, in my opinion. There's so much warmth, so even though you're sharing a bedroom with another guest or another couple in here, it still feels cozy and yummy in here. And then there is this bathroom right through that leads you into the other living area. So this is shared between the bunk room and this room right here. You can see how good the flow of this house is. It's almost like a figure 8, and your primary is right off of your main living space with this beautiful bathroom as well. Previously, there was a door here, and this line was the back of the house. This was the outdoor patio, which has been transformed, including the fire pit and amazing hangout space next to the pool. Let's go see. We have all that ample hangout space inside, but we also have a lot of room out here with the hanging chairs, the fire pit, and the outdoor living and dining space right next to the pool. So this amazing pool was added, this walkway, the fire pit. This property is on over 3 acres. Just beautiful, and just so you know, the surrounding areas are amazing, rolling hill country. What is so special about this pool, besides the fact that my husband did design it and build it, is that we have the jacuzzi here, and we have these 2 tanning stations that don't interfere if you want to do laps across the whole length of the pool. Very, very smart. And over here we have our dining and living space with a fire pit, so you can just imagine how special this is at night. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below, as well as check out the description to get the link to this amazing Dripping Springs home.